Greetings, friends. Randall Angie here, and welcome out to another Total Pythoneering Programming Short for Professionals, reminding you that none of us are born knowing anything about programming, let alone modern Python, and that a big shot is simply a little shot that keeps on shooting.
By now, I'm sure we're all used to the idea that Python's main mission is to take whatever we type and convert it into an object. In this case, Python would take the number 1 and bake it into a class called int. And in like manner, we'll probably remember also that whenever we use something like range, we're simply going to get a class instance of something called range. And if we take the contents of range, for example, we'll get all of our values. If we take a list of items from our range, we might recall from my training that the purpose of all of our named collection classes, list, tuple, directory, and others, is to simply iterate through whatever arguments we provide to those named collection types so that we have, in this case, a list of what was returned from our range class instance, being, of course, 0 through 4 inclusive, a total of 5 elements, but often surprising people because the n-1 of range means we're not going to have the number 5 in that list. So if we create a collection called nums to hold our items. The problem is if we wanted to loop through nums and to modify anything in our original nums list, we'll see that things don't work out quite as we expected. Fortunately, in modern Python, we can have Python make a copy of whatever we're enumerating through, in this case simply by saying we want to slice everything out of it and create an anonymous collection of which num would still be what we expect it would be. And therefore, since we have a copy of nums, and we're removing a num for it, our final result would turn out exactly the way we would expect.
If you'd like to learn more and hone your professional programming skills for Python, feel free to take a look at the free and open PyQuest project over on GitHub. And if you're interested in in-depth discussion as well as source codes to demonstrate each and every one of the first 100 beginner, intermediate, and advanced concepts, feel free to take a look at the book on Amazon.